Temperature steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Scanning the traceability QR code now.
Hard copies and health inspection confirmed.
Everything is in order, ma'am.
Tracing the evolution of crocodile leather, from ancient hand tanning and natural dyes to industrial
All right, steady on the gate. Looks good. Let's get it inside the cold room.
The QR code ensures complete supply chain transparency. Weight, grade, and supplier data are logged automatically in the ERP system.
Check the scale arrangements against the reference standard.
The pore structures match the passport database.
Right here. The translucency is uneven, indicating structural weakness.
I see it. Documenting as TC-4B.
Analytical Chemistry Laboratory conducts comprehensive material characterization using inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry,
As Hellas. We assign the final grade using our proprietary tiers: Premium Plus, Premium, Standard, and Utility.
The thickness profiles on batch 12A show significant deviation here.
We need to initiate a corrective action request immediately. Log that, Sarah.
Already on it, sir.
Close-up interior view through the drum's reinforced glass observation port shows crocodile hides tumbling at 8 RPM. Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates advanced water treatment plants with dissolved air flotation and
primary rinse cycle initiates as 4,200 liters of temperature-controlled rinse water floods the drum containing the pre-washed crocodile hides.
We need to evaluate the cleaning effectiveness right here. This dirty area requires additional targeted cleaning.
Specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 100 bar, providing controlled material treatment through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns.
Checking the folds now. There are still contaminants visible at 50x magnification. Recommend adjusting the chemical concentration.
The final washing stage utilizes buffered surfactant solutions maintaining a stable pH, specifically
conductivity sensors measuring ion concentration in rinse water effluent, where readings below 50 microsiemens per centimeter indicate successful removal.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs horizontal extractors with perforated baskets and vibration dampening, carefully processing the thoroughly cleaned crocodile hides.
The pH is at 7.2, well within range. Residual chemicals are below 50 ppm. We can authorize the batch release.
pH is stable and the temperature is holding steady.
Moisture uptake is verified. We are good for liming operations.
documented observations compared against standard reference images, determining whether to continue current liming cycle or adjust chemical concentrations and processing time.
Drum rotation is stopped. Let's move the hides to the fleshing line.
Roger that. We've calibrated the rollers and the tools are set.
The near-infrared reading is consistent with the required thickness.
Yes, the collagen structure looks perfect under the microscope.
Skilled operators manage the crocodile hide materials through mechanical removal and horizontal division.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process crocodile leather through mechanical removal of subcutaneous.
Sophisticated fleshing and splitting operations facility handles crocodile hide processing through mechanical removal.
Check the pH levels on the automated system.
All parameters are stable. The thickness is perfect.
Check the texture analysis again, making sure it aligns with the premium grade specifications.
Confirmed. The consistency is perfect for the outerwear division.
In our comprehensive testing laboratories, our female leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise.
Check the pigment saturation levels on the green hides.
Looks good. All critical parameters are met on the automated systems.
Industrial-scale dyeing operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems.
Through pigment penetration and color uniformity, we ensure every hide meets the rigorous standards required for premium jackets.
Industrial-scale dyeing operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and precision instruments.
This batch meets the premium standard for the jackets.
The pigment penetration is flawless.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where crocodile hides undergo
The spectrophotometer readings are consistent across the batch.
Good. The penetration depth is exactly where we need it for the premium grade.
Advanced dyeing and continues in the processing area.
Industrial scale operations utilize high-capacity equipment for moisture removal and dimensional stability. Using industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and computer-controlled.
The tensile strength is well within the parameters.
Confirmed. The dimensional stability is perfect for the premium jacket line.
The dimensional stability is perfect here.
Confirmed. The thickness is exactly 1.92 millimeters.
The texture analysis confirms the fiber manipulation was successful.
Yes, it meets the rigorous standards for the premium jackets.
Check the fiber density on sector 4.
Ramping up the oscillation frequency now. Looks within tolerance. Our skilled operators manage the hide materials, employing state-of-the-art manufacturing technology and automated quality inspection systems.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations utilize high-capacity equipment and precision.
The softening process achieved the desired fiber manipulation.
This batch meets our rigorous standards. The hand feel is perfect.
Are the parameters holding steady on the Z-axis?
Yes, the calibration is exact, the cut is flawless.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where Crocodile.
Professional precision cutting and pattern optimization procedures is easy.
Sophisticated industrial stitching and assembly ensures every square meter of processed material meets rigorous standards for premium jackets manufacturing applications.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues
using industrial-grade equipment with experienced East Asian.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where crocodile hides undergo